Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on that bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. Now let's talk about his YouTube journey. Jon started his channel back on March 14, 2010. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 369,000. Total amount of views is currently 63 million views. Average daily subs is at 245. And the monthly subs is currently 7,350. Now let's talk about how much he makes in a single day. This is going to be an estimate. Daily views is 54,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $3. Daily income is $162. Monthly income is $4,860. And now his annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. His income is $58,320. YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after the YouTube cut is $32,076. Now Jon Peters, he also has artwork which he sells on his website. And these are some artworks that he sells, and they're quite expensive. They're really expensive, but people buy them. So he currently has 369,000 subscribers, and let's say 0.5% of those buys, that's 1,845. And the average price point of it is $350. I would guess that $100 profit per artwork sold. So 1,845 times 100 is 184,500 per month, and per year it's 2,214,000. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.